Hello everybody, this is Sanjay and you're watching Vision Sanjay. So today let us unbox this Mi Band HRX Edition. So what are we waiting for? So let's start. So this is the Mi Band HRX Edition. Here you can see Mi Band HRX Edition, here the Xiaomi's logo. So let's see some specifications first. So here you go. The product name is Mi Band 2i. The battery capacity is 70 mAh. Input voltage is DC 5.0 volt. The battery is of type of lithium ion polymer. The color of this product is black and it's certified with the water resistant IP67. The MRP is rupees 1799, but in Amazon and also in Flipkart you get this product for just 1299. The connection type is Bluetooth 4.0 version and the input current is 65 mA. This product's box contain Mi Band sensor, strap, charging cable and user guide. So the phone which we'll be connecting with this band should be any Xiaomi phones or any device with Android 4.4 and above version. So the band is also compatible with iPhones, and they have given that iPhone 4S onwards that run on iOS 7.0 and latest version. And there is an indication of made in China. So here we open the plastic at the back, and let's open the box now. So here we have the Mi Band HRX Edition. So this is the Mi Band sensor and this is the Mi Band strap, and here we have a user guide. So you can see here we have the user guide, so we are not in need of this. So more than this, we have the charger. So let's open this. Here we go. So you can see this is the Mi Band. So let's have this in here. So we have fixed this here. Yeah, it's perfect. So here you can see, and this is the charging. So this was the unboxing. If you want me to make some more videos about this HRX Edition watch, please do comment below and hit the like button. Please do subscribe my channel so that you can get many tech videos like this. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching.